So tips and tricks. I honestly, it's prompt. I mean, I'm sure you're hearing this, like how thoughtful you are with your prompts, prompt engineering, it goes a long ways. And there's a lot of tools and how to's and things out there on the web. Claude produces some on their documentation center, things like that. I mean, that all applies here. All those tips and tricks as best practices applies with MCP, applies with Maxio MCP. But just to kind of keep it simple here, if you tell the AI who you are, what your objective is, the scope, what the constraints are, and what you're wanting out of it, you're going to get pretty far. Now, you didn't see a lot of that in my prompts, and that's because I had a project set up. And the project already knows a lot of who I am, my role, my business, the types of things I'm trying to get out of my prompts. So that's a hack. I mean, that is the tip and trick is, don't repeat yourself every single time. Load it into instructions, load it into memory, load it into a custom skill if you're using Claude, or a custom GPT if it's Chat GPT.